Well, I figure now is as good as time as any to finally make an update on this car, because I know some people have been asking about it. As you can see, it's back in my place. It does run now. I will be posting a full rebuild progress video, kind of slideshow narrative of how I did it, because I didn't really take much, video, a lot of pictures though of the whole rebuild. Runs real good, drives real good, engine and trans both rebuilt. But as you can see right now, I'm doing a whole brake rebuild here. As soon as I got it running, the master cylinder went bad, and it won't hold fluid for the front brakes, so the front brakes don't work. And so I just decided, well, screw it, I'll just do all of it at once. Because, as you see here, these rotors were pretty shot. You can see here's a good one for reference. So yeah, I mean, kind of sucks. So I've been doing that, and also, as I mentioned in the first video of this car, needed carpet, so I've been doing that too. So this whole interior was torn apart. I had the dash apart, trying to get the gas gauge and clock to work, but they still don't work. There's probably a short somewhere. I know the clock's bad, I'm pretty sure, and there might be a short for it too, but either that gauge is done for the gas gauge or the sending unit's bad. I did find a little short down there, but I can't really do anything about it. It was right at the connector, and I don't know if I can find one of those connectors anywhere, so that's just gonna stay how it is. I'll just track mileage and keep driving it. Everything else works. I do have some vacuum lines over there that I found that are unhooked, but I have no idea where they go, and I have to take the whole lower dash apart and upper just to get to the heater core and everything, so it's just gonna stay as it is. You can see the carpet's a little bit different color than what was in it, but I'm fine with it. It's green, it'll match, the seats will cover it up. It's better than having a huge hole right there where that used to be. But yeah, car's back home. I got it out and drove it, enjoyed it for a while. I took it on a nice 2-hour trip, hour there, hour back, just a couple weeks ago to a car show, and it did perfectly fine. I've driven it. I've done a few of those trips actually. But yeah, I also have the grill out because I was messing with the vacuum actuator for the headlights there, because it's leaky. It's got a bad seal in it. This side's all torn apart as well. I actually got a stuck brake line. I'm replacing the calipers as well with that brake line. I think I rounded it off, and it's going to be hard to get out. But yeah, under the hood, if I can get it open, maybe. I'll have to pause this real quick. Okay, never mind. So, come on now. There she goes. There's the big 429 in there, all prettied up, painted, nice, running good. Battery's unhooked, and I don't really feel like starting it right now, but it does run good. My next video will definitely show that. I have noticed recently driving it, the rear end probably needs a fluid flush. It's pretty clunky. It might need to be rebuilt next. So yeah, that's a thing. Still need to find a taillight because it's got a little hole in it. Probably saw it in the first video. I didn't really mention it. But yeah, it's just a lot of cosmetic work now that the main mechanical stuff's been done, and hopefully there will be a lot more videos to come on this thing. I really hope to start posting again now that I'm out of school, graduated, and all that fun stuff, and got a whole summer to do a bunch of videos and try to get this channel going again. I feel bad for not posting anything because people have been asking, but I just haven't had the time until now. So yeah, more updates to come, guys, and thanks for watching.